everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make kind of a little sushi bowl bar. I was going to make this video into something about how to just make some a sushi bar, but guess who ran out of seaweed? So yeah, I'll just start the video now. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill a pot up with 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to rinse about half a cup of rice for about 2 people. I normally don't rinse my rice, but here I really thought it was necessary because I am using sushi rice. And after I rinsed my rice, I just added it to the boiling water, and then I turned my heat from medium all the way down to low. I noticed my knobs were really dirty, so I just cleaned them off with a little microfiber cloth. And something that I've learned recently from my grandmother is you can simply just pull it off and put it back, and then it looks good as new. Then I thawed a couple of shrimp. I did a mixture of both salmon and shrimp, so I made sure just to put a couple because my mom likes shrimp and she doesn't like fish. And then I took out my salmon. The thing that I did is I kind of cut off the skin, and then I chopped the non-skin part up and I added it to a bowl. Then I added some green onions. I only used about 1/4 of a green onion and some ginger, but I saved the rest of my green onions for later in the recipe. So then I added that about 1/2 cube of ginger, and then about a teaspoon each of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. And then I stirred that up, and then I put a lid on it and I placed it in the refrigerator. After that, I finished chopping up my green onions, and then I made a little sauce. Now this sauce is kind of like sriracha mayo, but I used Greek yogurt just because it's a little bit healthier. And I added just some rice wine vinegar and some pepper and some sriracha to taste. I used about a full container, but I had a bunch of leftovers, which is about 6 ounces. The next thing I did is I julienned all my produce in a variety of different sizes. I did this by cutting in half and then cutting in half again my cucumber. Then I did my carrots, and then I did my mango. I just added them all to a plate, just so whoever was gonna eat it could see that. Then I added some rice vinegar to my cooked rice, and then I removed the peels from the shrimp, and they were really cold in my hand, really freezing. But either way, after that I just got a nice sear on all my shrimp. This took me about I would say 2 minutes per side. And then I removed them from the pan, and then I set them aside so I could put the rest of the whole plate together. In addition, I also added some pickled ginger and pickled onions. I hope you enjoyed.